We'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve effectively with some great tips. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and make sure you are on the Edit page. This is where most of your editing magic happens. Now, let's talk about the media pool. It's crucial for organizing your clips. You can drag your video files directly into the media pool from your computer, and they will be ready for editing. Remember to create bins to keep your files organized, especially if you're working on a big project. Next, let's focus on the timeline. You can drag your clips from the media pool directly onto the timeline to start creating your sequence. Use the blade tool to cut clips by pressing BA on your keyboard, and switch back to the selection tool by pressing A. For precise editing, zoom in on the timeline using the plus and minus keys. It really helps when you need to make detailed cuts. Now, let's add some transitions. Go to the Effects library on the top left, find the Transitions tab, and you can drag and drop any transition between your clips. If you want to fine-tune the transition, double-click on it in the timeline, and you'll see the inspector panel where you can adjust its duration and style. For color grading, head over to the Color page, where you can adjust the color balance and saturation. Use the color wheels to make your footage pop. Finally, don't forget to save your project regularly by going to File, then Save Project, or simply press Ctrl+S. Saving frequently prevents any loss of work in case of unexpected shutdowns. With these tips, you'll be editing like a pro in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.